When post-processing, the MOM toolpath type change event is now generated at the beginning of the operation and when the toolpath type changes. This eliminates the need for the pretreatment run and improves post-processor performance. We'll begin by post-processing the program group. Turn on Inspect Tool and click OK to post-process. Now we'll look at the post-processing output. Notice there is a MOM toolpath access mode variable indicating the toolpath segment is fixed. Here again, there is a MOM toolpath access mode variable indicating the toolpath segment is fixed. A MOM toolpath type change event is generated when the toolpath type is switched between fixed and variable. NC Optimizer does not support multi-channel machine post.